Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to insert a video in Google Docs, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to insert a video in Google Docs. When you are here in Google Docs, you can't insert direct to Google Docs. What you need to do, just go to Google Drive. After that, click New and then click Google Slides. And then click Insert and then Video. Okay, you can insert the video from Google Drive or from YouTube. I will insert a video from YouTube. Okay, I have here, this is my video. Just copy, right click and then copy and then paste. After that, click enter. Okay, here is the video and then just click. After that, click insert. Okay, now here is the video. It's added. Now what you need to do, just right click and then click copy. After that, open the Google Docs and then click insert. After that, go drawing and then new and then here right click and then paste. After that, click save and close. And if you want to open it, just double click. Yeah, and then yeah, here it's open. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to insert a video in Google Docs. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.